Hi, artists! Let's draw Mira from K-pop Demon Hunters, a truly mysterious hero. Let's start by drawing a soft line right down the middle of the face. Now let's add some gentle horizontal lines for the eyes, nose, mouth, and chin. These lines will guide us as we build Mira's beautiful face step by step. Let's start with her face. Soft, serious, and beautiful. Draw two big eyes that seem to know all your secrets. Below the nose, draw her mouth, not smiling, but thoughtful. Next, let's add her eyebrows soft and straight, giving her that serious look. Now it's time for her hair. Long, smooth, and dark like the night. Her hair falls around her face like a gentle curtain. Let's draw her neck strong and graceful. Around her neck, she wears a cool accessory, maybe a pendant or a ribbon. Now draw her t-shirt, simple but stylish, just like a K-pop idol. Don't forget to draw her ears right in line with her eyes. Carefully finish drawing her beautiful hair together. And don't forget her shoulder accessory. It gives her a mysterious warrior look. pupils with some cool shading. Are you ready to start coloring?
job, artists! Your Mira drawing looks amazing! See you next time with another fun character, and don't forget to like and follow the page for more cool drawings.